Come on. Hey, I'm late for this award show. My car broke down. Can I get a ride?
Come on, hop in. I tell you, Carson, the excitement here is tremendous.
Look at that. I didn't know P. Diddy drove a Diet Pepsi truck.
P. Diddy in a Diet Pepsi truck?
I drive this truck for the weeknights, and I save that one for the weekends.
Don't scratch it.
Come on, y'all, let's take a ride. Don't just say a word, just
All right, this is how I roll.
Don't have to hit. Grab your with the extra. Close your eyes and hit the switch. We're going to a place where everybody kick it, kick it, kick it, get after kick it.
Hey, yo, P! Check out my new ride.